So for the stool project, I still need to make 2 more legs, and I want to use the opportunity to test 2 draw knives. One is the Stubai one, looks fairly well made, nice finish so far, and the other is the TwoCherries one. Here. And yeah, I'm not sure if I will like this one, but we'll see. I'll first try them without sharpening before, but I may have to sharpen them right away. So let's see how it goes. Well, so that's not a clean cut at all. Let's try this one. A little better, but still biting. And I think it has a little back bevel there. Right, I'll go sharpen them. Okay, so the flat back prevents a continuous scooping cut. That's where the bevel down comes into play. And this is sharp now. And if you want to have a slight back bevel, a convex one, then you can do slight radiuses or scooping with the bevel up. But yeah, let's see where we have to go here. With the curved edge, it might be a bit more difficult to get straight lines there. And also there's a difference in the length of the bevel, or the blade actually, which is not relevant for this kind of work, but if you're getting in really tight radii, then it can be of importance. So I'm down to the line. Some more cleanup. I'll probably have to go back to that with the spoke shave. Yeah, I'm starting to cut a V here, which is not great. Let's try the other side. There's this knot I want to get rid of, and this will not cooperate. So there's some benefit to your back bevel, or but depends on the kind of work you do. This is a radial plane, or close to, and it's cutting differently. as you're not cutting into different layers of growth rings, but they are vertical and you're just slicing into them. Controlled cut, elbows close to your body so you can stop the cut where you want it. Slicing cut for even more control. Let's try the TwoCherries one. Might be intended for, I don't know, bark removal or something. Yeah, this will show up in the finished piece, but part of this will still go away from the octagon cut. And the rest will be like that. Yeah. Let's compare that to an old Drawknife. Could be a Fuchs, I'm not sure. But this is one that I've been using before. And the shape is more like the Stubai one. Very little curve to the edge in this direction and a noticeable curve in this direction. But they're not really curved. Yeah, and it does have a little convexity to the back, so I can still come out of a cut. Needs sharpening as well, and I'm at depth here, or at my mark here. I should use the radial planes for both tests. So Stubai again, yeah, can barely come out of the cut. This is not what we want. So if we want to have the same behavior, we have to do a little back bevel there. This is also fairly steep angle, but as you can see, it works. TwoCherries. Yeah, it's diving down. I don't want that. To flip that over. And once more. Right, still need to do the tenon, but you saw that before. So one more thing you can do, if you don't want to go full width, you can start at a corner or slightly angled, and go down to the depth you want. And then the other edge. And then you can connect these two portions. Yeah, we don't want these ridges, these clean transitions have to come out of the cut. Yeah, so as you can see, I've dipped down too much, and I need to make sure this is parallel. Right. I'll leave it at that and take care of the cannon later. So one more thing, if you're comfortable with pushing the draw knife, that was a bad cut, you can reverse it and you don't have to move the piece around. It's not a great grain there, but let's try another one. And the facets should be similar.